Welcome to the in front of me Huawei Nova 10C, and I'll show you how to link or unlink Assistant from power button on this device. So just to do that, we should first open this settings application and then scroll down to accessibility features. After that, tap here to shortcuts and gestures and tap to all voice. Just to use Assistant from power button, we should click here once on the switcher. And now let's just press and hold power key.
Hi.
Click here to next,
your
tap
smart
to agree,
assistant. I can
use
help you
the language. For example, I'll use the English one, tap to next, click here to agree, or later if you want to improve the L voice dictation, I'll do
Just
this
hold
letter,
down.
tap to down, and that's it. So now by press and hold the power key for 1 second, we can use the smart assistant. If you wanna turn it off, we just should click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.